Mirror protocol is a task used to make engineered options in contrast to certifiable resources in straightforward terms. These manufactured resources are called M-assets and mirror the very cost of the resource they have been bound to and can, obviously, be exchanged on auxiliary business sectors like TerraSwap AMM and Ethereum's Uniswap. The venture is from an organization named Terraform Labs. M-assets right now mirror US values and ETFs, however logical be included what's in store. Mirror protocol is a decentralized venture that is represented by the local area by means of the Mirror token that is likewise utilized for marking. Mirror protocol highly esteems being decentralized and local area represented. Despite the fact that Terraform Labs established it, they have no advantage capability. The group at Terraform didn't even premine the token. The task at first associated its biological system with the Ethereum organization to give clients the likelihood to exchange on Uniswap. As the task developed, it additionally got itself together with the Binance Savvy chain. Today, even the BSC people group can make tokenized manufactured resources begat on Mirror protocol. All resources that are at this point on the stage are tokenized US values. Be that as it may, this won't generally be the situation. Mirror protocol gives clients the likelihood to make what could be compared to any resource. Later on, M-assets could incorporate work of art, land, valuable metals, items, fiat and cryptographic forms of money, and much more. There has previously been a lot of talk and interest locally about printing bonds, prospects, and different subordinates as M-assets. At send-off, Mirror protocol had these 14 resources on offer: Mirror, AMZN, TSLA, MSFT, GOOGL, BABA, AAPL, NFLX, TWTR, IAU, SLV, QQQ, VIXY, and USO. What's more, in January 2021, an administration vote chose to likewise add BTC, ETH, ABNB, GS, and FB to the first 14. As the white paper states, nearly anything with a cost, be it a resource, could hypothetically turn into a manufactured resource on Mirror. Be that as it may, what are the advantages of clients exchanging M-assets rather than the real basic resource? Indeed, a ton, 24/7 exchanging without the need of consent from anybody and from any place on the planet, no middle people. All exchanges are finished on the blockchain record. Users can exchange simply a negligible part of a M-asset, rather than possessing it all fundamentally. Mirror protocol, with its tokenization, takes into consideration better and greater liquidity. By exchanging resources utilizing brilliant agreements, dealers will cause much less legitimate and functional expenses. The universe of exchanging is more open. By trading fragmentary resources, less fluid clients can at last partake. Like we said previously, engineered resources made on Mirror protocol are additionally called M-assets. So Tesla will be called MTSLA, and Apple becomes MAAPL, etc. Furthermore, M-assets all have similar shared attributes. Users make M-asset by securing 150% of the cost of the resources in USDT or 200% in the event that dealers choose to utilize other M-assets as guarantee. Once dealers arrive at least insurance proportion, similarly as with any value, more must be added. On the off chance that the dealer doesn't do this, will have his positions exchanged. When dealers take out M-asset, a similar measure of M-assets gave while opening the CDP should be copied. The action reimburses the insurance utilized. M-assets are recorded and replaceable on numerous AMMDEXs like PancakeSwap, TerraSwap, and Uniswap. The low exchanging expenses that clients will bring about act as remunerations for liquidity suppliers. Mirror protocol will refresh the profit like clockwork, an action important to ensure that the M-asset is fixed to the basic resources. On the off chance that the profit and resource cost are not something similar, brokers are boosted to exchange, so the M-asset cost returns to what it ought to be. M-assets are purchased to be day exchanged, yet not just that. The manufactured resources can be held or utilized for adding security and making new M-assets, making engineered stable pools, making liquidity pools for decentralized trades, and significantly more. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0210 plus 4.48% $0. $1901-2023-02 $110.98% $0 $1802-2023-02 12 plus 1.53% $0 $1847-2023-02 13 plus 6.66% $0 $1940-2023-02 141.56% $0 $1791-2023-02 15 plus 0.30% $0 $1825-2023-02 16 plus 3.48% $0 $1883-2023-02 17 plus 3.49% $0 $1883-2023-02 18 plus 0.77% $0 $1833-2023-02 19 plus 1.06% $0 $1839-2023-02 20 plus 4.37% 18 cents Miro Protocol Value Forecast 2023 High expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the enter crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 1.51% $0 1792-2023 APRA 8.77% $0 1660-2023 May 2.64% $0 1771-2023 Gen 0.85% $0 1804-2023 Joel 3.32% $0 1759-2023 AUG plus 3.03% $0 1874-2023 SEP plus 10.39% $0 2008-2023 OCT plus 10.37% $0 2008-2023 NOF plus 9.93% $0 2000-2023 DEC plus 13.14% $0 2058-2024 JAN plus 23.93% $0 2255-2024 FEB plus 18.80% 21 cents MIR Value Forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees MIR coming to 52 cents in 2025. What will MIR be worth in 5 years? The cost of MIR in 5 years could lie around 33 cents. Mirror Protocol Value Expectation 2030 to 2040 What Mirror Protocol will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Mirror Protocol coming to $1.31 in 2030. What Mirror Protocol will be worth in 2040?